And I'm gonna put it right in there, like that. Huh? And the sponge is getting pretty worn out. And somehow that came out of it. I just started scribbling on the wall. What is it? An angel? Horse. Because now we got the... Okay, so it's lunchtime, so you know what I mean. I gotta make myself some food while the paint is drying. Well, the paint's already dry, but I need a break. So I found this bottle of wine there. I'm gonna... Oh, I found my little jumping jack. So we're gonna open that wine and have a little, you know, refreshments. Okay, got him. Yeah, find the glass. Right there's the one. Salute. It's a Sicilian red wine, they call it. Sicilian Rosso. Yeah. Now I can cook. Okay, so I got one tomato left because the supplies are running dead. A wilted cucumber, not very good. But I found some, my brother's stash. This is first press olive oil. Got green in it, look. The stuff on the bottom is like, yeah. So now I'm gonna put some of this baby olive oil in there. Like that, yeah. Ooh, let me see, this baby. Wow. Tangy, slippery, oily. I'm gonna take this baby tomato that I already washed. I don't know if it did. Cut out the a little bit of this butt. And then I'm gonna chop it up into the frying pan like this. I don't know, I like them smooshed up like this, best there. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yeah, there you are. Then grab, yeah, oh, here's some fresh garlic right here from the garden. Grab a piece of garlic. Depends how much garlic you like. If you like a lot of garlic, put extra. In this case, I think I'm gonna put only one. Easy on the garlic. My stomach sometimes gives me chest pains. So I had to stop eating it pretty much, but I like the flavor. Yeah. Now if you can crush it, it's easier. Okay, I crushed that baby up into his hands. See, there was some paint on it still. I washed pretty good though. You gotta have some immune system, otherwise when you go to eat in a restaurant, you get sick. Because your immune system then, because you've been eating too clean. You've been eating too clean, you believe that? Wipe your hands a little bit. Okay, so we got that going. The garlic, the olive oil, and the fresh tomato. Now you take a sip of wine. And put on some salt. Like that. I do it by eye, I don't know. I think it's pretty good like that. That's probably about a teaspoon level. No, maybe a little less than a teaspoon. Small. Well, you gotta taste it. So then you got the old fashioned strike the match thing, and light my fire. Except it's that one instead of that one. Yeah, that one. Get it on there, baby. Make sure you turn off the fire, so you don't want to start a fire. You got the flame going, you know, and then you smoosh the tomato down. Smoosh the tomatoes down. Like that. So they become kind of mushy, you know. And you cook it for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. You can eat it raw if you want, just hot. Sometimes you can just put it over hot pasta. The fresh tomato after it sits in there. Oh yeah, I gotta go get some basil out of the garden to put in there a little bit. Okay, the tomatoes are simmering. I'm gonna go pick some basil. Look at the beautiful grapes here growing, yeah. See, this is a mixed black and white. There's a big bunch of white ones that are most raping. Where'd it go? Right there, those there. You see the golden start to show through from the sun. Yeah. Yeah, look at these babies. Imagine my father planted this, and he carved this, I think it says something about fascism. It's like the 13th year after the beginning of fascism. That's the fascism sign on the left, and the X is 10 and the other 3. So that's his monument. There's some basil right there. And this is Sicilian basil. So you want to take the tips off anyway, because if it flowers, it's gonna die. This is the only basil I knew when I grew up, little tiny ones. Hazelnut trees. Hazelnut. Better go check the sauce. Yeah, before it burns. I gotta go. My cooking. Yeah. Oh, looks really good there. See, I'm gonna take that basil and I'm gonna put it right in there, like that. And I think that sauce is pretty much, it's done as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. Reminds me when I was a kid, the tomatoes turned this curled up like that. The skin. Yeah. Now, I already had the pasta made from last night, left over. I save it, make it extra special. So I'm gonna throw it in there. So, here's the pasta from last night. So you throw a little bit in there. Whatever you want for yourself. That's enough for me, I think. And save the rest for tomorrow, tonight, or whenever. Use it in the refrigerator. It lasts a long time. Believe me, when we at the restaurants, how we portion it off, put it away in the refrigerator. You can't make fast all the time. Fast food. So that sauce cook about 5 minutes. Flip it over like that. Yeah. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Huh? Want to eat it? Smell it. Oh man, the fresh basil right there. The fresh tomatoes. Yeah. I can only eat my pasta now, man. Save the dish and just eat it in the frying pan. I got the cheese, some homemade olives, and the wine. Bless the food. Thank you, God, for giving me what I need every day. Bless this food with love and understanding and peace. And please, health, wealth, wisdom, and happiness. Thank you, brother. Yes. A little bit of salute. A little bit of cheese. And away we go. Wow. Fantastic. Yeah. Right here. Oh man. Beautiful. tomatoes were grown by my cousin up in the hills. So, organic. And then the basil in there. Yeah, basil.
Here we go.